Hey, welcome to Reverse Education. Today, we're going to take a look at the quotient property of exponents. So, let's go. All right, this first one, we're going to look at 8 to the 5th power divided by 8 to the 3rd power. You notice these both have the same bases. That means we can combine this and simplify this. So, let's expand all these to 8 times 8 times 8 times 8 times 8 divided by 8 times 8 times 8. Because there's 5 eighths on the numerator, 3 eighths in the denominator. Then if you're dividing 8 divided by 8, well, that's 1. I'm going to do that 3 times. So they have 1 times 1 times 1 times, and the numerator has 8 times 8, which is 8 squared. That's a lot of work to do. Let's look at a way that's a little more efficient. I have 8 to the 5th power divided by 8 to the 3rd. So we have 8 to the 5th minus the 3rd, because if you notice, on the left side there, we did 5 eighths, and we took away 3 of them because they canceled out with the 3 in the denominator. So we have 8 squared. They both work. This top one here is a little more efficient, or a lot more efficient, but this one may be a better visual for you. So whichever method works, go with that one. Eventually, though, you're going to need to figure this one out because it's just that much more efficient. All right, let's look at another example. We have 7 squared divided by 7 to the 6th. Wait. That bigger number's on the denominator, not the top? Well, let's expand this out and see what happens. We have 7 times 7 divided by 7 times 7 times 7 times 7 times 7 times 7. Woo! I didn't even mess that up. Man, I'm proud of myself. All right, so again, we're going to have those canceling out, which is just 7 divided by 7 is 1. And then we're left with 1 on top, and then there's 7 4s on the denominator. So 1 over 7 to the 4th. Let's try some more efficient way. 7 squared divided by 7 to the 6th. So we got 7 squared minus the 6th, which is 7 to the negative 4th. And if you remember from our negative exponents video, that 7 to the 4th is the same as 1 over 7 to the 4th. So they both work out. Awesome. All right, let's try one other one, but this time there's different bases. There's 6s and there's 5s for bases. So the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to go off to the side and let's take care of these same bases, these 6s. I can combine those, but I can't combine that base of 5 because they're different bases. So I got 6 to the 2nd minus 9th, which is 6 to the negative 7th. And so I have 6 to the negative 7th times 5 to the 3rd. And this may be done. There's times where you want to keep this as a negative exponent. But there's times you want to have a positive exponents only. In that case, let's do that 6 to the negative 7th. And remember that negative exponent means the inverse of that base only. So we have 5 to the 3rd divided by 6 to the 7th. All right. So if you want to see more examples like this or see what we're doing at Reverse Education, then visit us at reverseed.com. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day. Adios.